Oh, Chief Sabrin, Wayne.
Ken Miller with J&R Mechanical in Vernon, BC.
Yeah, right on.
So that's the first one in Providence, the first pellet boiler running
Yeah,
there?
yeah.
I don't know, one of many, like the whole community's going to.
The Tlicho Investment Corporation, who started this project, is got a lot of mandates. One of them is to create jobs and make profits, and also environmental and social concerns. So it's a good project that seems to have a spillover into all of that.
They're sitting in a funny position right now because they're not...
That's probably a hopper right here, a small hopper, right?
Yeah. Down here. They flow into this hopper here, which will auger them up into this hopper, which augers them. And the pellets will be moved up to the top. The truck has a gate underneath the chute.
Okay.
So you manually open that gate and you control how fast your pellets are flowing. You can look at it from this side. There's a couple of auger motors here driving these augers, which bring the pellets in from outside down into another metering bin where it's fed into the boiler, where it begins the process of burning. And this insulated door is really hot, so I'm going to just be careful taking it off. Normally there'd be a much more flame in there. Today, the weather's changing a little bit. The sun's warming up all the buildings, so the boiler is automatically modulating down and coming off load until it gets another demand for heat. We touch on the screen and this will give us some visualization of what's happening right in here in this room. These are the heating values that the boiler's producing right now, and some other values, temperature of the stack, temperature of the water, touch on that. This insulated pipe coming from outside comes directly from the pellet boiler, supplying the heat to this building. This is the existing heating system that was already here. We've added the heat transfer station, which is the main part of it, is a plate heat exchanger. So from our wood pellet boiler system into the building system. The design is such that it operates cleanly and efficiently all by itself, automatically. Kind of in the center, we have two lines of supply and return going out to the motel and the government building, government office building. We have another line that goes towards the health center and the nurses' residence and the Nishikon Center. And then a third pair of lines that go, again, a different direction totally to the new long-term care facility.
Instead of going using pellets, they've already sort of indicated that they want to go back to chips, either being more economical or create work in the community. We've already made that decision that we were going to go with chips, so it just reinforces our decision that chips would probably be the best way to go. Even though Fort Province is planning a central heating system on a much bigger scale than we've seen here today, there's a lot of similarities, and we're just going to extrapolate their model into maybe several models.
It's not so technical.
the connections to each individual building, you know, it's going to be a learning curve for us, for the community, for the north. You know, it's a change.